In this video, we'll take a look at some settings that I like to set in the Preferences menu in Lightroom. It's under the Lightroom tab on a Mac, and it's under the Edit tab on a PC. So we'll go to Lightroom Preferences. And there are a number of areas where you can set various things. Most of these are personal preference, and there are just two or three that I like to make sure are set. So under external editing, I like to make sure that this checkbox is selected. It's stacked with original. So anything that is edited in an external application, such as Photoshop, when I'm done in Photoshop and close the file, it will be stacked next to the original or placed next to the original file in Lightroom. The next setting is under the catalog settings, and in the general heading, you can select how often Lightroom will back up its catalog. So this is not backing up your photos, this is just backing up Lightroom's own database. And I think once a week is sufficient. That's what I've selected here. And the next thing and last thing that I set is under the metadata tab in the catalog settings. I like to set automatically write changes into XMP. So any changes or metadata that you add to a file, such as ratings or keywords or copyright information, will be written into the XMP file, which is a sidecar file for every raw file that you import into Lightroom. So just those three things. And next we can take a look at the basic layout of Lightroom. It is a modular type of program. So you have the library, which is where you'll find and organize all of your files. The develop module, where you'll make changes to your files. A map module, which allows you to add GPS data to your files. And book, slideshow, and print. Book, slideshow, print, and web are all methods of outputting your files to share with other people, put on the web, create a photo book or a slideshow.